In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert a picture in Canva template. By the end, you will be comfortable getting your own photo into a design and placing it exactly where you want it. Whether your template uses a photo frame or a free layout, start by opening your design in the Canva editor. You will see a vertical toolbar on the left side of your screen. That's where you will find the Uploads tab. Click Uploads to open your personal media library. If you are using your own photo, click the Upload Files button and choose an image from your computer or phone. Give it a moment to process. You'll see a small thumbnail appear in your Uploads panel when it's ready. If you prefer using a stock image from within Canva, you can also look in the Elements tab, which includes a Photos section with countless options. Now, let's place the photo into the template. Many Canva templates include a dedicated photo frame. You'll recognize it by the placeholder graphic with hills, sky, and clouds. When your design has one of these, simply click and drag your photo from the Uploads tab or from Elements, then hover over the frame. When you are over the right spot, the frame will highlight and your image will snap into place automatically. This is great for maintaining consistent shapes and clean edges across your design. If the photo doesn't snap right away, keep your cursor within the bounds of the frame until it catches. If your template doesn't include a frame, you can add your image freely on the canvas. Just click the photo in your Uploads tab to drop it in. It will appear at a workable size on your design to resize. To move the image, click and drag it to the exact spot you want. Take a moment to align it with nearby text or graphics for a balanced layout, and consider the visual weight so your design feels intentional. If you are working with a high-resolution image, you'll get a crisper result when resizing larger. So choose the best quality version available. That's the whole process. Thanks for watching.